Hi there, it's Josh here at the Classic Competition Company, and we have another very special prize for you guys to take part in. This is our second truck that we've ever done. This one will be on its own and not with a motorbike. So if you car fans out there, then you don't have to worry about that bike. We've also got plenty of bikes on the website. This is a 1965 Chevrolet C10 pickup, obviously. You can win this on our website. It's the Classic Competition Company. Tickets for this one are £2.49, and the draw will take place on the 2nd of August. Which is Sunday at 10 PM 2026. So as you can see, super cool black truck. It's got the small block 5.7 litre V8 engine in it. I think it's got some sort of custom exhaust system on there as well because it sounds amazing. Sounds almost just as good as the Mustang that we had on our website a while ago. It's the custom model, so it's like the highest spec C10 Chevrolet you can get. I think it's just got upgraded interior and some nice alley bits as well. All the bright work chrome is in really nice condition. A little bit of patina, so this is like an older restoration, but it's not mint, so you wouldn't mind using it, but it's still really, really presentable. And you've got this really cool, very, very dark blue strip down each side with alley. You've got the big, massive bed at the back, and you've got this hydraulic lift here. I'll show you quickly. See how quick I can be. Not scratching it. My phone's going off. So those two just hang down there, and then just pull the bed out. Oh, it's got a few pine needles in here that we haven't cleaned out yet. Someone's been transporting Christmas trees, I'm sure. And you've got two hooks just like here, and that goes up on these boot style hydraulic arms. It's a really big bed. Put whatever you want in there. Put a bed in the bed if you want. And that just goes down and clips back. So that's nice and simple. Just hooks under there. They hook back up. These chains. Josh does it right. It's like one of those Christmas puzzles that you get when you're a kid and you can't quite do it. That's just me. So what we do now, start her up. You can have a little look at the interior. So here's the interior. It's got this really cool headlining. It's like a really deep browny green quilted ceiling. I don't think that's original. But yeah, lovely interior, really nice dark black leather seats that look like they've been upholstered recently. And you've also got a Impala steering wheel, which is quite a trendy thing apparently. My knowledge is slightly limited on classic American vehicles, but we're getting there. The more prizes we get for you guys, the more I know about these American things. So what we'll do now is start her up. So we'll head to the back and you can have a little listen. So there we are. If you fancy a ticket on this 1965 Chevrolet C10 V8 truck, automatic, like I said at the start, £2.49. The draw will take place on the 2nd of August 2026. If you do enter, as always, thank you so much for your support. Through you entering allows us to buy these awesome vehicles for you guys to take part in. Even if you don't win, we can't have the winners without the losers, and we can't buy these vehicles without you. So thank you very much. And if you do win, congratulations. Awesome truck.